सारे रास्ते नहीं गए तो रास्ते नहीं एक के बाद 7 मिनट से शुरू नहीं होगी अभी स्टे कर नीचे आता जा रहा है
Food grade and food safe. Foaming chlorinated cleaner. Emulsify, denatured and remove oil, grease, protein, blood, stains from equipment and surfaces in food processing plants. Use in food plants. Meat packers. Poultry plants. Fish plants. Egg breaking and grading plants. Soft drink bottlers. Dairy plants. Mineral water plants. It is self-foaming liquid. Available chlorine 500 ppm. Stable chlorine for disinfecting. Stable chlorine for protein removal. Effective in soft and hard water. Excellent wetting properties. pH 13.5. Biodegradable. For price and sample, please contact us at nsco.pk@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video. Enjoy yourself.